Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at Trust Fund Beauty nail polish. This one is a nice pink color and it's called I'm Kind of a Big Deal. If you can see that, I'm kind of a big deal. So a little bit about this product. It's made by Trust Fund Beauty. It's a quick drying, long wearing, super pigmented polish. It's 10 free, formaldehyde free. That includes it's all the bad stuff that's in nail polish normally. This does not include. So it's non-toxic, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, which we like. It's happy for bunnies, so they don't test on bunnies. And this is a nice pink shade that I have found. I'm actually going to use my husband's finger as an assistant to try the color on, because I already have nail polish on right now. So let me, if he will let me, try this color out on him so you can see what it looks like. Oh, can you lift your finger up a little bit? So from what I've gathered by using this, you really only need one coat. I mean, you can put 2 coats on. That's a little messy. So that's one coat. If you can hold that up a little bit closer, you can see it's a really nice pigmented pink. I kind of went over there on the edge there. But that's just one coat. So if you do 2 coats, you're pretty good. And then this is a really beautiful pink, nice for, I mean, we're heading into the end of summer, but it's pretty much something you can wear year round. And never really goes out of style. And this one is just a really nice, it's not really mauve-y pink, it's got a good balance to it. It's a beautiful color. And it's really great that it's vegan and cruelty free. So it says here, free from toluene, formaldehyde, lead, nickel, phthalates. It's vegan, cruelty free, and see it's got the little bunny on there. Oh, it's a little blurry. There we go. You can see that a little better now. And it's by Trust Fund Beauty. I don't know where they are based out of. It doesn't say anything on the box, actually. Wait, let's see. It's made in Montreal, in Quebec. So it's a Canadian nail polish. I have a couple other colors. I think I have a gold one, another color. But this pink is, it's blurry again. This pink is a really fun color to use. Let me see if I can put on another coat and see what that looks like. It's a little messy. If you can hold that up by the camera. This way. Yeah. So see how brightly, so it's almost a magenta, but it's a really nice pink. Something you can wear year round. It's something you could wear to out on a date. You can wear it for an office jobs, or just for fun. Like I said, super pigmented. That's 2 coats, so that's a good amount of it. I mean, that's usually what you need. And but you saw how how pigmented it was when I did just 1 coat. So highly recommended. And I think you'll have a really good time with this color. And the fact that it's has the all the bad stuff out of it. It's a non-toxic polish. We like that. I like that, I have to say. It was so nice of my husband to actually let me use his hand to try some nail polish on it. He's not necessarily a pink nail polish wearer. He's not a nail polish wearer at all, actually. Maybe, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I would check this out. Nice color to add to your nail polish arsenal that you, or collection, I should say. Don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the Trust Fund Beauty I'm Kind of a Big Deal. Thanks so much.